Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In this project, I will show you how to use A02YYUW waterproof ultrasonic sensor with ESP32 board along with I2C LCD. The A02YYUW is a waterproof ultrasonic sensor, so you can use it even in wet or outdoor areas. It works with 5 volts and sends data through a UART connection, which is like a serial port. It can measure distance from 3 centimeters up to 4.5 meters, and it gives pretty stable and reliable readings. Please watch full video to make this project. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.